I wonder.
Sounds for movies are sometimes made using vegetables. When making movies, sometimes movies need sounds that don't happen on set. So, how does it sound so real? The sound effects are made through a type of practical effect called Foley. Foley artists make all kinds of sounds which can be added to movies. A cool example is the sound of people walking in snow. That sound is made by placing a cornstarch in a leather pouch and squishing it, so the characters can have a snow day whenever they want.